Sir, Madam. I am Maria Cristina Pascual. I am high school graduate. I am separated with 2 children. And I have 2 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the eldest in the family. I work as domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities is ironing clothes, clean the house, washing clothes. And Sir, Madam, I know how to cook Filipino dishes like sinigang, adobo, and giniling. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes. I know how to take good care of children by taking them a bath, teach them to school, give them a proper food, and love them as my own children. Sir, Madam, I am responsible, loyal, and honest. Please choose me as your domestic worker, and I promise to finish my contract and do my best at my work. Thank you, Sir, Madam.